Hello, thank you for visiting today. I have a couple of things that I wanted to talk with you, one specifically about, and that is olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, something that I see in kitchens all the time when I go to do nutrition consultations and cooking classes. And there's a wide range of olive oil and its benefits, and in some cases lack of benefits that most people do not really understand. So in just a few minutes I want to give you a crash course in olive oil so that you can look for the right type of oil for your cooking. And of course we don't have to use a lot of olive oil in cooking. I know that it's been marketed well by the American Heart Association, that it's heart healthy and it's good for you. Keep in mind, however, every tablespoon of olive oil has 120 calories, and it may or may not have the important component that it should, that is polyphenols. So if there are a couple of things you should remember, one is polyphenols, which are a very important nutrient that we need. It fights free radical reactions, fights inflation, very important, good nutrient, and also to know the harvest time and to know the date on olive oil, along with a few other things. So let me begin. I've been to the grocery store on and off, of course, for the past several weeks, looking at different olive oils in the store, and I've come up with a few that are quite interesting. This one is labeled extra virgin olive oil. It has a beautiful Italian name, the Terra Mia, my earth. And it was really reasonably priced, so like $6.95 for this bottle of olive oil. Problem is, it's in a clear plastic bottle, so if it had any antioxidant qualities with it, they would be gone as soon as it went under fluorescent lights in a grocery store. So that is thing number one. Good olive oil should always be stored in a glass, usually dark green or brown glass, so that the light cannot get into it. So the other thing about this olive oil is that the olives come from various countries. They come from Spain, Greece, Tunisia, Morocco, and Italy. So an olive is a fruit. An olive is a stone fruit, and it should be pressed mechanically to produce good olive oil, and it should be pressed within 8 hours of picking. And so when you do that, you actually are preserving the polyphenols. If these olives are coming from Spain and Greece and Turkey and Morocco and being sent to Italy, it's probably lost most of its nutritional value. Here's another one, another label that is produced widely and marketed on TV and commercials, and it is labeled organic. So of course organic olive oil would be something that we would prefer, so the olives haven't been sprayed. However, when you take a look at the back, it says check the code of the various countries that these olives come from, and once again they come from Greece, Portugal, Tunisia, and Italy. So you want to make sure you know the country of origin, and you know that these olives have been pressed at their peak of ripeness. This bottle was $16.95, and it is a glass, dark glass bottle, so that's a good thing. So moving on up in quality, we have this Monini, which is DOP. If you can find DOP olive oil, that's another step up. That means determination of production. So that this oil has been actually tested and verified that it comes from one harvest, and the type of olives that it is and how that have been grown, and the production area. And this one will have, it says product of Italy. That's all there is to it. Olives were grown, pressed, and packaged in Italy. It also has the harvest date on it, and it has an out date, because olive oil does outdate, and it can become rancid, so you certainly don't want to keep it in a plastic bottle in a warm place for weeks and weeks. That is not going to be health promoting olive oil. And then I have another one here that comes from Sabina Samola DOP olive oil, and it has the harvest date and the out date on it. I was actually fortunate enough to stand in their production area to watch the olives come in from the olive groves and be pressed and to be packaged all within about 3 hours. That's all it should take. Nothing has been shipped into them from another country, and this is excellent olive oil. Then I know that many times we try to buy the most olive oil, the biggest bottle for the lowest price, and we have one here that was $7.95, and it's the 365 label. And so there's a lot of olive oil in here, and it came from Whole Foods, and it says cold processed, which is a good thing, but once again, it doesn't have a harvest date, it doesn't have an out date, and it does come from various different places: Spain, Greece, Italy, Tunisia, Egypt, Turkey, Syria, Morocco, packed in Italy. So Italy has the greatest capacity for pressing olives, but Italy cannot grow enough olives to feed the world. So we want to keep that in mind. I would be hard pressed, no pun intended, to actually take a sample of this oil, take it to a laboratory, and just see the nutritional value, or most importantly, the lack of. So I'm going to post a little checklist so that you will be able to print it off, take it to the grocery store, use it as a guideline so that you can purchase some good quality and be well informed as far as olive oil. Thank you for visiting. Please subscribe. I think there's a button below. Thank you so much.